Why are we Nigerians living like this? When mad people in our society will be terrorizing us, and we don't want mad people in this Nigeria anymore. They are not mad people. Don't think they are mad people, because when you walk at night, they can get you. Shey you hear that, my fellow Nigerians?
Around what time of the night? Around what time of the day did this issue happen?
Yes, I was there, and I saw them bring out all those dead bodies they brought out.
Who brought them out?
I don't know them. When they brought it out, and then that man just came out from the bush.
Bush.
Yes.
Someone said it's inside the hole.
He's inside the bush he came out from, and they were pursuing him. Yes, then they caught him, and the police came and take him off.
That place.
The venue along Ikeja Expressway. As you can see, here at Agegemuto Road, exactly at Mangoro Bypass Road, the civilians are here and they are trying to burn one of the holes that they think the ritualists might be in. And it is also unfortunate that the policemen are also on the other side. They are just there, nothing to be done. They caught a madman, a supposed madman, but he has refused to say anything. His identity has refused to be given. And the civilians have taken laws into their hands, and as you can see, they are burning one of the tunnels which they believe the ritualists might be in and might probably take another way out. Exactly this morning around 9 a.m., about 7 of them were caught, and also this evening when we got here, we caught about 3 on camera, and one was even taken to the police station. And let's not forget, 2 days ago, this same thing happened at Ajalabade, and the question is, who is to be blamed? Who is responsible? Who should we blame for this? The Nigerian government, the police, or the civilians who are carefree? I think the new system the ritualists are now using is the underground tunnel. As you can see, there are about 10 to 15 tunnels where we saw body parts of human beings, like livers. We even saw a place where concussions were. So it's spanking. It has been bringing about news about what these people are actually using these body parts for. About 15 meters away from here, we could find clothes of people. He's asking the question, what exactly are they using these people for? Is it for rituals?
Thank you so much for watching our video, and don't forget to like and comment. Let me know your opinion, let us know your view, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. To do that is so easy. See the box here, there's a box here written there, Bua TV. Click on it, you will see a subscribe button. Just click on it, that's all.